Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Settings and navigating to Personalization, then Taskbar. This gets you straight to controls you need. Once done, check that your Windows 11 build supports Taskbar customization and that you're signed in as an administrator so options aren't blocked. You'll immediately see anchors like Taskbar items and Taskbar behaviors. Make changes deliberately. You're about to rearrange what's visible and how the taskbar reacts to clicks and hover, so keep the settings window open while you proceed. Now customize which icons appear and where they live. Toggle search, widgets, and chat off or on depending on need. Once done, open taskbar behaviors to choose left or center alignment and set icon overflow preferences so your layout stays tidy. Pin apps by right-clicking any running app or start tile and choose Pin to Taskbar. Unpin by reversing that action. Make sure you test a click and hover to confirm animations and grouping behave as you expect before moving to final steps. Finish by adjusting the system tray and corner overflow so essential icons remain visible. Once done, if changes don't apply, restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager to force an update. This resolves most glitches quickly. If problems persist, make a careful reset. Use taskbar settings first and only edit the registry or run a system repair as a last resort. If you do edit the registry, back it up first so you can restore previous behavior without losing customization.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.